Hello, first grade. Welcome back to math. Today in math, we will be representing and solving addition word problems. How we're going to do this is we will use manipulatives and a strip diagram to model and solve a word problem. This is important so we know how to make a model in order to represent a problem. Before we go into today's lesson, let's review our vocabulary and our anchor chart. First vocabulary word is strip diagram. So with our strip diagram, we have our part, whole. So whenever the whole number is unknown, so whenever we have a whole number unknown, we have to add the parts together. So part plus part equals our whole number. Next we have equal sign. So this is what our equal sign looks like right over here. It is a symbol that means is the same as. So 6 is equal to 6. 6 equals 6. They are the same number and they have the same value. We have adding, which is the same as joining, is when we combine numbers, when we combine objects. Next we have total. So total is the total number of objects that we have after we add or after we subtract. Next we have subtract. So right here, subtract is the same as separating. It is when we are taking away, when we're taking away a number. Or right here in this picture, we're taking away a puppy. We are separating, subtracting. Next, let's look at our strip diagram. So we're going to look at this problem right over here. Right here next to me. So this problem, y'all did Friday. So on Friday, we had a problem with different stickers. So there was a person with 3 stickers, 4 stickers, and 2 stickers. And we wanted to know how many stickers they had in total. So what we had to do is we had to add each part. We had to add 3 plus 4 plus 2 in order to get our mystery number, our whole number. So we added 3 plus 4 plus 2 in order to get our whole number, which was our mystery number. And today we're going to go ahead and practice more with our strip diagrams. Let's go ahead and look at our word problem for today. So let's go ahead and read this problem. There are 6 blue birds in the tree, 3 red birds in the tree, and 7 orange birds join them. How many birds are in the tree? So I noticed that we have 3 different numbers. Again, just like we did on Friday. So let's go ahead and look at our first number. Let's read the sentence again. There are 6 blue birds in the tree. How many blue birds are in the tree? 6. So I'm going to go ahead and get 6 linking cubes in order to represent my blue birds. So I have 4, 5, and 6. I have 6 linking cubes right here to represent my bluebirds. And if you don't have linking cubes, that's okay. You can just draw the dots. You can use beans, coins, anything that you can count with. We have 6 bluebirds right here. So right here where it says draw, I'm going to draw 6 dots. You can draw dots, you can draw tiny birds, but I'm just going to draw 6 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 bluebirds. Now, let's continue the sentence. 3 red birds in the tree. How many red birds? 3. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 3 linking cubes. Like that. And I'm going to go ahead and draw 3 red dots to represent 3 red birds. Just like so. And we still have one more number. It says, and 7 orange birds join them. So when we are joining, we are adding or are we subtracting? When we are joining, we are adding. So the 7 birds join them. So we are putting them together. So let's go ahead and put our 7 orange birds. So today I do not have orange, so I will use yellow. But I will color it orange right here and the dots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 orange birds. I'm going to draw 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I have my 6 bluebirds, my 3 red birds, and my 7 orange birds. I don't have orange linking cubes, so I'm just using what I have, which is yellow. But right here, I have my 7 orange dots, which represent my 7 orange birds. Let's go to our strip diagram. So we have 3 different parts. So if we see the sentence, let's look at the problem one more time. How many birds are in the tree? So what are we going to do? We are going to add them all together in order to see how many birds are in the tree. So we have 3 different parts. So our first number that we see is 6 bluebirds. So in my strip diagram, I'm going to go ahead and put 6 bluebirds. And then our next number we have is 3 red birds. So I'm going to put the number 3. And our last number we have is 7 orange birds. So I'm going to go ahead and put 7 in our last part. So we have 3 parts. So you can do this in many different ways. You can count your manipulatives, whatever you're using at home, or you can count the dots, or you can use your fingers as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count my dots. So whenever we have 3 parts and we are missing our whole, because we don't know our whole number. We don't know how many birds are in the tree. So this, our whole, is our mystery number. So we're going to add all of our dots together. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many do we have all together? 16. So we found that our mystery number is 16. Because we added them all together and our total number was 16. So right here where it says your answer, I'm going to put 16 birds. Because we had 16 birds in the tree. We had 16 birds all together. Where it says explain your answer, how did we get 16? That's what we want to know. We have to explain how we got 16. So how did we get 16 birds? If you said adding them all together, or counting your fingers, or counting your manipulatives, you are correct. So if you counted 6, 3, and 7, and you added these three numbers together, we got 16. If you counted all these dots, we got 16. So that is how we got our 16 birds. That's how we got our total, our mystery number. For your assignment for today, you are going to complete this slide that says independent practice, student completes. You're going to go ahead and complete this word problem. Let's read it together. There are 5 blue birds in the tree, 4 red birds in the tree, and 10 orange birds join them. How many birds are in the tree? So just like we did in the lesson, you are going to draw your 3 different numbers represented in the word problem, and you are also going to put your different parts that you have in your strip diagram. You're also going to put your answer right here and explain your answer at the bottom. So how did you get your answer? Did you add? Did you subtract? Did you count with your fingers? Did you count your drawings? How did you get your answer? Once you are done with that, make sure to press the save button at the top right hand corner and turn it in to your teacher in Google Classroom. Y'all have a great day. Bye.